Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you exactly how the TimeWall section on GPTO works and how Nigerians can use it to earn rewards online. Now, if you're new here, don't worry. Let me break everything down step by step. As you can see on the screen, this is the TimeWall dashboard. TimeWall is simply a place where advertisers pay users to complete simple tasks. These tasks can include downloading apps, signing up for websites, answering surveys, testing games, and completing offers. The first thing you want to do is scroll through the available offers and choose one that interests you. Before you start any task, always read the instruction carefully. This is very important because if you miss a step, you may not get credited. For example, some offers may ask you to install an app and use it for a few minutes, while others may require you to reach a certain level in a game. Once you complete the requirement, the reward is added to your account. Now, many Nigerians make the mistake of rushing through offers. Don't do that. Take your time and follow every instruction exactly as shown. Another thing to note is that not every offer will be available in every country. Some pay more than others, so always check the reward amount before starting. The secret to earning more is consistency. Complete a few offers every day. Check for new opportunities and make sure your internet connection is stable while doing tasks. Remember, time wall is not magic money. It rewards you for completing tasks correctly. The more active you are, the more you can potentially earn. If this tutorial helped you understand how GPTO TimeWall works, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and have a nice day. Bye.